Hello there guys and welcome to Howtomealz. This recipe is going to be a bit garlicky. Since I'm a huge fan of garlic and I pretty much eat it with anything, it goes to the point that I eat a raw piece of garlic with my pizza. For example, Tess thinks I'm crazy, but I find it super delicious. So I thought I'm going to show you a super easy and a super delicious garlic recipe. You can pretty much use it in anything. You can spread it on your toast. You can mash it up in your mashed potatoes. You name it, you can use this pretty much for everything. Except for dessert maybe. But then again, you never know. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So what you'll need is, of course, garlic. For the sake of the demonstration, I'll use two different kinds, some olive oil, and for the seasoning, some pepper and some salt. You can add whatever you like to this. You can add thyme, rosemary, chili, whatever you like. But I'm just going to keep it plain and simple with pepper and salt. Let's do this. First, take your garlic and cut the top off. Ooh, that's pretty nasty. So as you can see, one of my garlic cloves is molding. This is disgusting. So I'm just gonna try and take it out. So after a close inspection, the whole garlic turned out to be moldy. So I'm just going to continue with this one. As I said before, cut off the top. You can peel off as much of the outer layer as you can. I just took another garlic to compensate for the other one. Now we can move to the next step. So here I have a baking tray with some aluminum foil on it. I'm going to place my garlic on there. You can do this for as much garlic as you like. Then just drizzle a generous amount of olive oil on top so it covers and seeps into every crack. Give it a seasoning of salt and pepper. Wrap everything up. Until you have a nice garlicky package, and then just put it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for roughly 40 minutes. So 40 minutes later, I took them out of the oven, unpacked them, and as you can see, I've already cheated a bit and I tasted it, and it tastes super delicious. All you have to do now is decide how you're going to eat it. I'm just going to try it out on a piece of toast, and I already know it's going to be super delicious. And there you go. So thank you guys for watching this episode. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you're going to use this recipe for those delicious Christmas dishes or just sometimes as a special treat. If you do happen to use this recipe, you can always leave a comment in the comment section below or just tag Howtomealz on Instagram. We're always happy to see your results in form of a photo. And before I forget, this week's comment of the week is this one. I kind of thought it was funny I was being compared to a beetle. First I was like, what? But then it kind of hit me. Thank you for that lovely comment, and stay tuned for the next week's comment of the week. The eternal glory. Once again, thank you guys for watching this episode, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.